As layoffs rise in a seemingly strong economy, companies rarely admit AI's role in job losses. IBM stands out, revealing it replaced 200 HR employees with chatbots while increasing overall staff elsewhere. Klarna also shares its drastic downsizing, from 5,000 to nearly 3,000 employees, directly linked to AI's transformative power. Yet many companies disguise these layoffs under terms like restructuring. Experts warn that this language often shields the reality of AI displacement. The fear of public backlash keeps companies silent about their AI-driven decisions. The impact of AI is significant, and it's transforming roles in content, operations, customer service, and HR. Experts suggest that many firms will downplay the AI connection to avoid anger from workers, investors, and clients. Unfortunately, as companies embrace AI, they often realize its limitations. They may automate a large portion of tasks but find they still need human employees for quality assurance and problem solving. As AI adoption continues, concerns grow that layoffs driven by automation will shape the labor market. Freelancers have already felt the brunt, with companies directly telling contractors they are being replaced by AI tools. This trend is now trickling down to full-time workers, leading to fears of public outcry, as seen with Duolingo's recent experience. Despite a solid job market, experts predict significant job changes due to AI in the coming years. According to the World Economic Forum, 41% of employers worldwide plan workforce reductions due to AI. As companies strive to manage optics and preserve morale, transparency about AI's impact remains limited. Being cautious about AI's influence might work for now, but in the future, companies might have to confront the reality of workforce changes openly. Adaptation will be essential for individuals as AI becomes an undeniable force in the job market. The time to prepare for this shift is now. Stay informed and be ready to adapt to the changing landscape brought on by AI advancements. Keep an eye on how technology is impacting your industry, and consider developing skills that human touch will always require.